Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're telling me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Eayonhair. I have not collaborated with Eayonhair since like before the pandemic, which is so crazy. But they sent me over this braided wig and I actually posted this on TikTok and people thought it was my hair, which is like, okay, you guys are doing your job because it is looking so natural. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing this wig. It's a full lace wig, so I did not do the back. I did not have time to do the back, but it looks good, right? So I'm going to show you how I got my wig to look like this. Let's get right into this video. So this is the packaging. This is the regular packaging that it comes in. They actually put a wig cap in here, but I didn't see it until the end of the video and I didn't show you guys because I felt like it was unnecessary. This is how the inside of the wig looks. I was just trying to part it to show you guys how it looks, but yeah. It literally looks so freaking good, like medium size box braids. And I'm gonna go ahead and play some music because you guys already know I really don't have to explain much. It's very self-explanatory. So I'll come back at the end to chat to you guys a little bit more.
Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane. Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered. They're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're mine, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
make it ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all the time me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait. Cause he validate me. But check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My he precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all the violence, give me this function.
I mean, where the f should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the
Couple figures, kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with it.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I decided to try doing a little bun type of look, so I feel like I really like it. I like how it turned out. So if you guys are interested in getting this wig, I'll have it linked down below. When I was brushing it out and stuff, I did not get too much shedding. It was just like a little bit, but it's normal. It's kind of like if you gotten your hair braided, you know, your wig is not shedding. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Don't forget to check out Eayonhair, and I'll have all their codes. If they have like coupon codes and everything like that, it'll be down below. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel once again, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta rebound it. The nigga dripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the truck jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out. And I never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the lobsters. Rich niggas.